Castor oil is a useful plant oil that people have been using for a really long time. It comes from castor beans and can be used for medicine, making medicine, and many other things that lots of people don't know about. In this video, we'll share the benefits and uses of castor oil that might make your life and health better. Make sure to watch the whole thing because there's one benefit that I think will be surprising. If you're ready, let's get started. May relieve arthritis pain. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties might bring relief to joint pain caused by arthritis. In one older study, people with osteoarthritis took castor oil capsules 3 times a day for 4 weeks. At the end of the study, 92% of participants reported significant reductions in knee pain without any side effects. In another study, researchers explored the use of castor oil applied topically to reduce joint pain. Participants massaged castor oil onto their skin above sore knees once a day for 2 weeks. The study found that castor oil was effective in reducing both joint pain and inflammation. Relieve constipation. One well-known use of castor oil is as a natural laxative. It's a type called a stimulative laxative, which means it helps move material through the intestines by increasing muscle activity. The Food and Drug Administration approves castor oil for this purpose. Stimulative laxatives work quickly and are often used to relieve temporary constipation or to clear the bowels before medical procedures. When you take castor oil orally, it breaks down in the small intestine, releasing ricinoleic acid, the main fatty acid in castor oil. This acid is absorbed by the intestine, causing a strong laxative effect. Studies have shown that castor oil can effectively relieve constipation. In one study, older adults who took castor oil experienced reduced constipation symptoms, such as less straining during bowel movements. Another study found that castor oil was successful in cleansing the bowels before a non-invasive colonoscopy called a colon capsule endoscopy. Induce labor in pregnancy. Castor oil has been a traditional method for stimulating labor. It used to be a common way to induce labor, and some midwives still prefer this natural approach. The laxative effects of castor oil are thought to contribute to its ability to induce labor. When taken by mouth, castor oil stimulates the bowels, irritating the uterus and causing contractions. Additionally, castor oil increases the production of prostaglandins, which are fats with hormone-like effects that help ready the cervix for delivery. A study in 2018 found that almost 91% of pregnant individuals who used castor oil to induce labor were able to have a vaginal birth without complications. A review of 19 studies concluded that taking castor oil orally is a safe and effective way to prepare the cervix for vaginal birth and induce labor. Reduce wrinkles. While there's no evidence supporting the claim that castor oil can completely eliminate wrinkles, as some online sources suggest, the oil does have properties that can help retain moisture and keep your skin well hydrated. Castor oil is a common ingredient in various cosmetic products like lotions and cleansers, although research on its specific benefits for the skin is somewhat limited. A review of studies suggests that the fatty acids in castor oil may contribute to smoother and softer skin. The authors also propose that the oil's moisturizing, cleansing, and hydrating abilities could promote the growth of healthy pores and skin tissue. You can use castor oil by itself or mix it with another oil, such as coconut oil or almond oil, before applying it. Since castor oil has the potential to be irritating and may cause allergies in some individuals, it's advisable to test a small area of your skin before applying it more widely. May be helpful for certain eye conditions. Recent research indicates that castor oil might be a helpful treatment for certain eye conditions, including blepharitis. Blepharitis is an inflammatory condition causing red, itchy, swollen, and irritated eyelids, often accompanied by dandruff-like flakes on the eyelashes. A 2021 study suggests that castor oil could supplement deficient physiological tear film lipids, potentially reducing tear evaporation and improving symptoms of blepharitis. In another study from 2021, involving 26 people with blepharitis, those treated with castor oil, applying 100% cold-pressed castor oil to one eye's eyelids twice daily for 4 weeks, experienced significant improvements in ocular surface signs and blepharitis symptoms. Castor oil is also included as an ingredient in eye drops like Restasis, commonly used to treat dry eye. For cleaning dentures, dentures can collect a lot of bacteria and fungi, so it's crucial to keep them clean. Some studies suggest that castor oil could be a useful method for maintaining the cleanliness of dentures. In a laboratory study published in Brazil Oral Research, a denture-like mold contaminated with bacteria and fungi was soaked in a 10% castor oil solution. Although this reduced some contamination, it wasn't as effective as a sodium hypochlorite solution in removing fungi and bacteria. On the other hand, a study in the Journal of Applied Oral Science revealed that brushing and soaking dentures in a castor oil solution led to reductions in Candida, a fungal infection caused by yeast. While castor oil may not be as effective as some solutions in certain aspects, it still shows promise in combating fungal infections on dentures. Increased immunity. Castor oil's effective immune-enhancing effects are largely attributed to its support for the body's lymphatic system. The lymphatic system, spread throughout the body in small tubular structures, plays a crucial role in absorbing and eliminating excess fluids, proteins, and waste materials from our cells. Castor oil may contribute to improving lymphatic drainage, blood flow, and the health of the thymus gland, along with other functions of the immune system. A small double-blind study, published in the Journal of Naturopathic Medicine, discovered that adults using abdominal castor oil packs experienced significant increases in the production of lymphocytes compared to those using placebo packs. Lymphocytes are the natural disease fighters of the immune system, attacking external invaders like toxins and bacteria. The lymphatic system's influence extends to the circulatory and digestive systems, making castor oil occasionally used to support heart health and address issues like constipation, may treat psoriasis and eczema. Studies on animals suggest that the ricinoleic acid in castor oil may have pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory effects. While these properties could potentially help with conditions like psoriasis and eczema, there is no direct research supporting these claims. To potentially alleviate skin issues, you can apply castor oil to affected areas before bedtime and let it absorb overnight, as the oil is believed to moisturize the skin. In a study, castor oil demonstrated the ability to eliminate Candida albicans from contaminated human tooth roots, indicating its potential in fighting fungal infections. For the treatment of melasma, a condition causing brown patches on the face, a study suggested that a phenol castor oil peel reduced pigmentation in a severe case of melasma. Additionally, some research indicates that castor oil, containing undecylenic acid among its active compounds, may be effective in treating ringworm. Promote wound healing. Using castor oil on wounds creates a moist environment that can aid in healing and prevent sores from drying out. Studies suggest that ointments containing castor oil may be effective in treating various types of wounds. For example, in a 2013 case study, a spray containing a mix of balsam of Peru, castor oil, and an enzyme called trypsin was used to treat an abdominal surgical wound in an 81-year-old man who couldn't tolerate other topical therapies. The treatment helped in healing the wound. It's important to note that topical wound treatments with castor oil usually include a combination of ingredients, not just castor oil, for strong, healthy hair. Similar to the advantages of coconut oil, using castor oil may promote faster, thicker, stronger, and shinier hair. Castor oil is not only good for untangling hair, but is also used to treat hair felting, a condition where hair becomes twisted and entangled, forming a hard, stony mass. Can castor oil regrow hair? It may help stimulate hair growth by improving blood circulation to the hair follicles. This is why some people use it not only on the hair on their head, but also on their eyebrows and eyelashes. Studies suggest that ricinoleic acid, found in castor oil, might be effective in treating hair loss by balancing the production of prostaglandin D2 in men, a factor that influences hair growth. If you liked today's video, please give this a like and subscribe for more content like this.